Hello and welcome to another episode of Nonstop F-Stop. Today we're going to be doing the long-awaited Pelican iM2100 case review. To start off, it is very, very strong. I have actually dropped this case a few times and really don't even see very many scuffs on it. See a couple of scratches, but that's very typical. This is what's for protecting all of your equipment. It has push-in style buttons to release the latch. It has foam for the built-in top protection. It is very removable and replaceable if you ever, for some reason, lose it or damage it or whatever. It has pick-and-pluck foam, meaning that it has these little squares. See that? And if you want to add something in here, you just pluck it out, and it's this thick. So you pluck that out, and so if you have anything that's deeper than this thickness right here, you have to pluck out 2 sections of it. To fit the Zoom H4 in, I actually had to remove the whole section because that's how thick this is. And what this actually holds in it is my Sennheiser G3 handheld mic, my Zoom H1, my Rode NTG2, sorry. Some random cables, this and that, batteries for all of the components, all of the pieces of equipment. Actually, what I'm using right now is the Sennheiser G3 body packs. These go, the receiver and the transmitter, and all the mics go in here. So all this actually fits pretty well in this Pelican case, and I've got room for any additional equipment that I want. Now you can watch other videos for like impact tests and crush tests and something, you know, torture tests of this case. But one thing I actually am going to do is do a water test. You just saw everything that was in there. I'm going to dunk this in water, and we're going to see if there's water in the case. Now they guarantee everything that's in here, if it gets wet, they'll replace it. All right, here's the water test of the Pelican case iM2100. Well, you really can't push it under very well. That's a simple test. Let's see if there's any water in it. Except for a little bit of water that I'm sure got in from me opening it. I don't see anything. Let's push it under a little longer. Now, if there was water getting in, you would actually see bubbles coming up. I don't see any bubbles. All right. They've actually taken this case and submerged it underwater for 24 hours. They had a MacBook in it, and it did not get wet. So that was about, say what, 20 seconds maybe? And also to show you, I know that this kind of proves that it was hard to put under. It floats. So for some reason it falls off of a boat that you're doing like a fishing trip or something, you're not gonna lose your equipment to sinking. Everything's perfectly dry. Passed the water test. All right. That's the review of the Pelican iM2100 case. Stay tuned for another episode of Nonstop F-Stop, because you never know what we're going to do.